Greenways have something different to offer, whether you want to take a walk or ride your bike or push your stroller or walk your dog, but this one has something really unique. It's the Wabash, Frisco, and Pacific Miniature Railroad. It's a great way to take a tour of the Greenway like you can't do anywhere else.
Started operations in 1963 and been here ever since. We just have a good time. We love trying to save these old steam engines that people discarded, didn't want anymore. That's the love of everybody down here, is to keep that going, and then also educating the public about how steam engines ran years ago and giving rides to the public.
They're open air cars, and they take you through the woods and along the little creek and give you great views of the river, the soaring bluffs, and get you outside and really enjoy the Greenway.
During the summer, every Sunday, May through October, we are open. We give rides to the public from 11 till 4. And we ask you make a reservation online at our website, wfprr.com, and you can pick a time and date and come out and have a ride.